Newport, Kentucky today, a crane tipped over, sending a worker right into the icy river.
Yeah, this time of year, just incredible to be down in that water. The man lucky to be alive. All of this unfolding at River Metals Recycling, and WLWT News 5's Danielle Dindek's been out there all day, live right now over the Licking River with the details. Hi there, Danielle.
Hi there, Mike. Just truly a remarkable story. So thankful we could say that this man is okay after what he did go through today. Firefighters say that he was in this icy water for more than 40 minutes. You're taking a look at the scene here. So that crane is back upright. You can actually see the crews are still out here trying to figure out how this all happened. And I do want to have you take a look at some video from earlier today because I want to walk you back to the beginning. The original call came in around 9 a.m. Police radio traffic describing the scene as a man in the water saying that he fell out of the crane. There was a massive response from first responders when they arrived on scene. They saw the giant piece of machinery dangling over the extremely icy Licking River. This was a very technical rescue. The Newport fire chief telling me that firefighters had to use a Stokes basket, which is a rescue stretcher, to get the worker to safety. Now here's a portion of the conversation between first responders during the rescue mission.
To give any better clarity on this, where the barges hook up to River City Metals, that's where the crane was. So there's a drop off there into the river.
That's going to be for the boats in the water, and it sounds like he might be still in the camp, fully emerged.
So this man was fully immersed in this icy river. You can actually see just sheets of ice covering the Licking River. Once again, he was in that for about 40 minutes, and that was from the Newport fire chief. Now, a lot of questions still remain, such as how this all happened. I did reach out to the recycling facility to try to get their take on all this. They have yet to get back to me, so we'll continue to ask those questions. But once again, this man was alert and talking on his way to the hospital. Reporting live in Newport, Danielle Dindek, WLWT News 5.